Welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Messenger. To start, you have to open your Messenger and click on the three-bar icon at the top left corner. Then select the gear icon from the settings. Scroll down to Preferences and choose Privacy and Safety. Under What People See, find the option for Read Receipts and toggle the button to turn it off. Once it's gray out, read receipts are disabled. Keep in mind that with read receipts off, you won't see when others have read your messages either. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.